Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn and welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And as you can tell from the title, today we're just going to be trying some new makeup. Doesn't mean it's necessarily like new out, but new to me. I don't have a new primer, so I'm just going to go in with my Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. This stuff is amazing. Alright, for foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Up to 24 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 420. This is new. I'm hoping this shade works for me. It's looking like it is. Whoop whoop. I've been color correcting a lot, but I wanted to see what this foundation looked like without me color correcting. So far, it is looking really pretty. I am digging this foundation, and I definitely say like it's probably like a medium to full coverage. I'm gonna add a little bit more on my cheeks and just a little bit all over me, and it just got on my shirt. It is a little bit more liquidy than creamy, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go in with this Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade 100 Pure Ivory. And the pollen is out now, and it has hit my house, so we've all like had the sniffles and stuff. So sorry if I sound. And obviously, since I'm just opening this, this is my first time using this. My husband and my oldest are in there watching TV, so sorry if you can hear the TV. That is looking, ow, I gotta get a new chair because this chair is so uncomfortable. But anyways, that is looking really good, and it's blending out really easily, and the coverage is really awesome. Take the other end and kind of blend around. I don't know if y'all can see, but that foundation is like settling and my fine lines are really bad on my forehead. But other than that, I really like the foundation, but hopefully once I set it, it won't do that. Next is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder, and this is new to me. I'm really liking that concealer because it's not creasing up or anything so far, like underneath my eyes. And I hate it, like when I go, or when I put concealer on, and then by the time I go to set it, like it's already creased up. It's so annoying. But it's not doing that, so that's nice. Kind of press this powder into my skin. I am really, really liking the way that all this is looking on my face. Like, it's not settling in my fine lines on my forehead. I'm moving my hands a lot, I'm sorry. But it's not settling in my fine lines on my forehead like it was. And that concealer is just looking really nice under my eyes. And this powder is helping set it all really good. Like, I'm loving this combination. And the awesome part is that the foundation, concealer, and this powder are all drugstore. Alright, next I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. And I've had this stuff. This is new. This is the Maybelline New York City Bronzer in the shade 200. I always like to go in, or try to go in super light with my bronzer or my contour if I don't know how pigmented it is. And this is really pretty. It's a real nice, like, matte, cool shade. Just gonna go in with my powder brush and kind of blend all that together. I feel like it would be easy to build this bronzer up if you wanted it like more intense, more dark, but also really good if you're light skinned and want to go in light. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush, and I've had this. I love the way this stuff smells. I'm just going to take a stippling brush and just blend that out. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Girl Actic Face Glow in the shade Goldie. And I've had this. I love their highlighters. I say I love their highlighters, that's the only one I have, but I love it. I need to try more. And I'm still really liking the way that this foundation, concealer, and setting powder and everything is sitting on my face. It's looking really pretty. Alright, now for eyeshadow, I'm going in with this Bare Minerals Aurora Lights palette. And this is new. Oop. I actually won this in a giveaway from Achel the Great, her YouTube channel. I will link it down below. I'm very thankful that she gave me the opportunity, or, you know, gave anybody the opportunity to win this palette, and I'm very thankful that I won, and I'm super excited. This is actually my first product from Bare Minerals, so that's exciting. But yeah, she has really awesome videos. She's really fun to like, or fun to watch. I love her videos, and like I said, I'll link her channel in the description box below if you want to go check her out. But to start off, I'm going to go in with the shade 500 Thread Count to make sure that my eyes are good and set. I just really love how this concealer is not creasing up on my lids or anything. Like, it's so awesome. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Delightful. It's a really light shade, so we're going to start our transition off with that. And I love that the names are underneath the shades, but they're also on the back. Alright, now we're going to go in with Wavelength, which is that shade right there. And put that in our crease as well. And in the outer corner. Just going to put it there and then work it. Then crease some. We're actually just going fishing today, so I'm not trying to do anything extreme. I just really wanted to sit down. Or I wanted to get ready, so I wanted to film. And I've been so excited to try this palette and the foundation, so. I will say that the shade is blending out like a dream. I'm gonna go back in with a little of Delightful and blend around this edge. Now I'm gonna go in with Presto. I'm gonna put some on my brush and then I'm gonna spray it and put that on my lid. Oh, that is pretty. Ooh, that is so pretty, y'all. This shade is so pigmented. Well, at least doing it this way is. And it's so pretty. I'm just gonna kind of blend on that top. Wow. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more wavelength and just set or put on that outer corner a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna go in with Spotlight and right there, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that and put some in the inner corner. That is stunning. So far, I am loving this palette. I am so beyond thankful. So I definitely love that palette. Everything is just looking, I don't know. I'm loving it. I'm loving everything so far. I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick with my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I will be right back. All right, y'all are just gonna have to excuse my eyebrows. They're not gonna work for me today. I have a scar in this one and it's, I don't know. Anyways, it's just been not wanting to cooperate lately. Okay, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Last eyeliner in the shade Black. All right, for lipstick, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dose of Cocoa. And this is new. Is that upside down? No. This is new to me. Oh, wait. First, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Man Eater mascara. I can't believe I almost forgot my mascara. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this lipstick. I really like the shade. It's just a nice, like, really nude shade. If you don't like scented liquid lipsticks, I don't recommend this because it does have like a chocolatey smell to it and it's very strong. But I don't mind it and I really like the way it looks. It's so pretty. To set everything, I'm going to go with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I've had this. This is the final look. So far, like, I'm loving the way everything looks. This lipstick is a bit tacky, so if you don't like the tacky type lipsticks, then I don't recommend this one. But I don't mind, and I really like the color, so I'm gonna get over it. But this foundation, I can't stop looking at myself in this mirror because I am loving this foundation. I am loving this concealer, the setting powder, this eyeshadow. Like, everything for me gets a thumbs up, and I had a lot of fun filming this. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you have given it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!